In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change SVG colors using Elementor, a powerful WordPress page builder. Understanding how to modify SVG colors can be a great tool to customize your website, making it more visually appealing and aligned with your branding. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to your website's WordPress login page. This step is pretty straightforward. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL of your WordPress login, which typically looks like your website.com/up admin. Log in with your credentials and you should find yourself at the WordPress dashboard. Once you're at the dashboard, the next step is to locate Elementor. You can find it on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Simply click on the Elementor option and this will take you into the plugin where you can access all your page building tools and editing options. Now you're going to look for the page or post you want to edit using Elementor. Once you've found it, click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor interface, which provides a real-time preview of your page alongside your editing tools. At this point, it's crucial to focus on the HTML element. Look for the HTML widget in Elementor's panel. You'll need to drag and drop this widget into the desired section of your page. This widget allows you to directly manipulate HTML code, which is where your SVG code will come into play. With the HTML widget in place, you'll want to paste your SVG code directly into the HTML code area. This is where you can modify your SVG elements. To change the colors of your SVG, you must find the fill attribute within the SVG code and update its value to the desired color. A tip here is to use hexadecimal color codes for precision. For those unfamiliar, these color codes are 6-digit combinations that represent specific colors in the RGB color model. Remember, while making these changes, the live preview feature of Elementor is your friend. It shows you real-time updates of how your changes will appear on the site, allowing you to make adjustments easily. If anything doesn't look right, you can always go back and re-edit until you achieve your desired look. Finally, once you're happy with your SVG color alterations, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Update button in the Elementor interface. This ensures that all your hard work is saved and reflected on your live site. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change SVG colors using Elementor. With these steps, you'll be able to enhance the visual elements of your website with precision and creativity. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.